Hi everybody, it's Food Pantry Day, and we have got a pretty darn good haul today. Lots of fresh fruit and vegetables, well, kind of fresh fruit and vegetables. Maybe the bok choy not so much, and the cucumber maybe not so much too. We'll see. But we have lettuce back there, baby romaine, and Boston bib. We got 2 bacon Caesar kits. Those look pretty darn good to me. You know I love my salads on the days that I get them. We got cauliflower in there. And more grapes for me and Emma. Yay. We got milk. And we got some oatmeal boxes. 3 of them. Some raisins. A salted caramel cream pie thing. Yep, it says pie. Iced devil's food zingers. Never seen those before. Of course, I don't look at a lot of little snack cakes anymore, thankfully. We got Angus ground beef in there. That's always great in this house to have on hand. We got a chicken orchard salad. I don't think I've ever had that. Never even heard of it. We got lemons back there. Onions. Some beautiful plums. The peppers are alright. I'll grind them up and stick them into soup or something, because they're kind of wrinkly, some of them. But that's okay. We got some Florida blueberries. Florida blueberries ain't got nothing on big Maine ones. Of course, Maine also has little tiny blueberries too. Wilds. Spaghetti. And I like it when it's not the wheat, because my family does not like the wheat. The texture gets them. Oh, we got a Modern Pantry milk back there, I forgot. Shelf-stable milk, gotta love that. Lots of sweet potatoes. What is your favorite sweet potato recipe? Easiest, quickest way to do them. What do you like to do with them? Carrots. So we'll have lots of carrots in our Easter dinner. Emma's going to be happy with these little smokies. Boy, don't she love little smokies. And I'm telling you what, you pair them with apple butter or cranberry sauce. Oh my goodness. Yum yum. I got both of those videos on my page here. Check it out. We got bread back there. An Italian country loaf, I do believe. 4 donuts. A multigrain bread in there. And some dinner rolls. And hickory smoked turkey breast. Those few things are frozen, so we can get those right into the freezer till we need to use them. But look at that wonderful, wonderful Food Pantry stuff. And the volunteers there are so awesome. They're just so nice up at this one. They really are. They're sweethearts. One lady has even decided that when she comes up to the car, because she recognizes us, we're not supposed to tell her our names. She's got to get it on her own. So she does a great job. She has remembered them. The only thing she doesn't remember is the phone number. And how can you remember everybody's phone numbers? Come on. But she remembers everything else. So she is good. She is right on it. But that's our Food Pantry haul for today. Hope you enjoyed watching. Like, subscribe, share, and watch a few more videos. Please, 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 please. Because my views are going down. Everybody's outside. Everybody's being all happy in this good weather. Sit down and watch a video. Okay. Have a great, wonderful, super fantastic day, everybody. And we'll see you on the next one.